What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Saigon Cribs. Now, we got a hot rental alert that's happening right now. This amazing boutique apartment is available for you to book right now. At the time of this video release, you have a short time to act on this apartment fast. These are the rare gems that are available, and you have to act fast to get these apartments. Now, as you can see, these pictures are amazing, but when we went to actually see the apartment, unfortunately, the owner had their personal things there. It's a little bit messy, but let's go right into it. So when would this apartment be available?
In the end of the month.
End of the month. Okay, that's around the time they're looking for too. Like in 2 weeks. Interesting. One of the best apartments. Okay, move to city center. Okay. It's beautiful. Fully equipped baking oven. Nice sofa. Wow, you are the collector. Wow. Really nice. Yeah. The balcony is bigger here too. Wow. Yeah, you got a lot of counter space here. Yes, sir. I like this extension here.
Can you speak in like, can you speak Vietnamese?
Chụp bạn. Yeah. Biết chụp đôi hộp tiếng Việt. Yeah. Oh, your washer and dryer. Aye. So I mean, they're decked out as far as equipment. This is staying? Washer and dryer? The washer machine? Okay. Yeah, and dry, yeah. So this is the secondary built-in closet there. Nice little work desk. Nice curtains. So just seeing, the balcony is bigger here. That's one thing that's a difference. Oh, nice big room here. Built-in nice size work desk. And you also have the bathroom here as well. So with the smart toilet, Kohler smart toilet. Okay, you are the collector. Nice. Got the cars, that's super cool. Big screen TV, so I mean. Storage. Yeah, this is your shoe cabinet. Yep. So that's your entry shoe cabinet and another behind there as well. Additional storage. This is, you know, the shoe cabinet, everyone takes your shoes off. It's really nice. All this is custom. You even got the LEDs at the bottom. Custom lighting is dope. Oh wait, there's a oven and dishwasher? Okay, we got a baking oven here. This will go. Okay, this goes with you. All right, what is this? Dishwasher. Okay, dishwasher, that goes out.
This machine I will move to.
Oh, you're taking both? Ah, darn.
Dishwasher instead.
Okay, well, I tell you what, if you rented it, we can help you get the oven.
Okay.
We can help you get a baking oven if you were to take it. So at least that stays. You can still have a baking oven. But this is a dishwasher, so that will go. That's not included. But if you ever want to get one, it's kind of up to you. They're not that expensive. Yep. Yeah.
Just half the size.
Yeah, it's a small one. You know, this is simple. Yeah, this is a simple one. Right. Yeah. So Saigon Cribs will offer the oven. We got you on that.
View.
Oh, that's cool. Like, okay, dope. I think these color change too. Like if you don't like the brightness, you can change. I think, yeah, see, you can change to yellow, to a softer. You can change that to softer.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah.
Cool.
Where you from?
US.
Yes.
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
May, yep.
May. How you say it?
May.
May.
Yeah. Yep, America.
My.
Me.
No, my.
Well, me, no, it's spelled my.
My.
It's spelled like my,
My.
but it's May.
Me.
Yeah. It's a little bit of a drop. So that's like the language, like May.
My.
And like May. Yeah, exactly. You gotta add that little twang. You gotta add the twang sometimes or something.
Hello, twang.
Yeah, a little twang.